Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a great day out there, and hopefully everything's fine. This is our drive time update, guys. So the big question that everybody's been asking, and a lot of people have been sending message: when will Dogecoin explode? Well, I'm going to tell you when Dogecoin is going to explode. It's going to explode when the whole altcoin season blows up, and we've got some on-chain and technical data that tells us exactly when altcoins are going to explode, when Dogecoin is going to explode. And this is comparing to the previous bull run in 2017, and we can see that some specific price points and price targets need to be hit, and different Fibonacci levels need to be hit to confirm that we're going to have a breakout. But Dogecoin is definitely going to be breaking out. The altcoins are going to be breaking out. October, November, we're going to see very, very bullish, guys. And we're also seeing that, in the last 3 weeks, we've seen a lot of institutional investors have been buying up, been gobbling up the Bitcoin since we had this whole China FUD. So this is really bullish that institutional investors are still heavily interested in Bitcoin, and hopefully we can see some institutional FOMO coming in soon. Because if we get some institutional FOMO coming in, that's going to send Bitcoin and the altcoins and the whole crypto space to the moon, guys. And what do I mean by institutional FOMO? Well, we need a company like Apple or Amazon to confirm that they're buying Bitcoin. That we need that to absolutely happen, and that will send and create institutional FOMO like never before. We really need some big catalyst like that to happen to start institutional FOMO. And I think that the retail FOMO is going to start once we start seeing Bitcoin over $50,000. We're going to start seeing retail FOMO coming in really soon, guys. So let's jump into content right now without further delay. Remember, this video is not financial advice, guys. This is just the OG in the house giving his opinion, and this video is for educational purposes. And it's so important that you guys do your own risk management out there. Remember, it's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out in crypto land. You guys have to do your own risk management. Turn on two-factor authentication on your exchanges. It's so important, guys. And just be careful out there. It's a jungle, guys. But we're going to see that this bull run is very similar to 2013. We're going to have a double top, guys. And this double top is absolutely going to be coming soon, and I think it's a really good time to be alive, guys, and you're going to love it. I'm going to love it. So let's jump into the content right now, guys. And with that being said, guys, don't forget to go back and look at my other videos, guys. And, there's some really good information. Don't miss it. And, guys, don't forget to show the YouTube algorithm that you love the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto in the house, guys. Woo! And don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, do it right now, guys. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. So let's jump into the content. So if we look at the pre-markets right now, the pre-markets in the U.S. are looking pretty good right now. We're seeing that the Dow futures, the S&P futures, and are up right now. The NASDAQ is down, but it's going to turn green pretty soon. So earlier here in Asia, it was looking pretty bad, guys, but it's turning green, so that's really good. Hopefully that will be a catalyst to turn all the markets green when the U.S. opens, and hopefully that the European markets will also be looking good as well, and hopefully we can have a bit of a reversal, because things have been going down for the most part here in Asia. Things have not been going down by huge amounts, 1 or 2% only, so it's really not a big deal. But let's hope we can see that more and more of the U.S. market's going positive. And the other big news that's coming in right now, we can see that Dolce and Gabbana is asking Elon Musk to buy a Doge Crown NFT. So they got this huge fashion show, and they want the Dogefather to host it. But part of his entry into hosting it is they want him to buy the Doge Crown NFT. So this is really interesting that the luxury house Dolce and Gabbana wants Elon Musk to king of crypto with the cash. He's got to buy the NFT, guys. So it's really interesting that Dolce & Gabbana is getting into NFT play. So you can see that NFTs are becoming more mainstream. And I think also Gary Gensler, when it comes to NFTs, I don't think they're going to be regulated. So this may also help to absolutely drive up the price of NFTs in the future, because I don't think Gary's going to regulate, because he sees it really as art and not as security. So that's really interesting news. So here's the big news. Remember that when BTC starts to run, the alts will likely lag behind while their tanks get gassed up. So when we're going to look back to 2017 October, and this is pretty typical. Once Bitcoin hits a high and then retraces, that's when the altcoins will take off. So the altcoins don't take off in parallel to Bitcoin's meteoric rise. We often need to have Bitcoin to have a bit of a pullback before we see the altcoins absolutely explode. So you can see here in 2017 we had Bitcoin rose all the way up to the 0.7 Fibonacci level, and then it retraced a little bit down to the 0.127, and then that's when we had altcoins hit an all-time high. So we had something similar We had something similar previously this year, right here. Remember when at the top of May and before the big crash? So we had, Bitcoin was like at $65,000, and then it had a little bit of retracement, and then after the retracement, we saw a new altcoin high. So just remember your timing. When Bitcoin hits on high, it usually takes 1 or 2 weeks for us to see that the altcoins are absolutely pop up. And when that happens, we're absolutely going to see the altcoins explode, guys, totally explode to the moon, guys, and it's a great time to be alive. So when will Dogecoin explode? Well, once Bitcoin starts to hit its top, we're going to start to see that happening. And I think we're going to start to see once Bitcoin hits 63,000, 65,000 in October and 80,000, it's going to come in stages. So we're going to see a top for Bitcoin at 63. We're going to see a pullback. Then we're going to see the altcoins go up. And then we're going to see Bitcoin go up again. Then we're going to see the altcoins a little bit pull back, then take off again. So you can see that the altcoins always lag behind Bitcoin in terms of hitting their all-time high. So just keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in the back of your head. So don't be impulsive when you see suddenly Bitcoin go up really hard. Just wait for Bitcoin to come down a little bit, and then you'll see the prices of the altcoins absolutely take off, guys. So some other stuff that you guys need to take a look at, and I think that's really interesting. Which side would you rather be on? The smart money long-term thinkers or the reply guy who bought the top and is predicting doom candles? So you can see, that the younger coins, in my definition, are going down and down and down, and we're seeing that more of the older coins are now going up, guys. So we're getting more and more of the younger coins are being translated into the older coins, and this is really bullish, guys, and this is really signaling something amazing, guys. And you can see that more and more coins are being hodled, and this is this is contributing to the supply shock across the board, guys. And it's a fantastic time to be alive, guys. So we're going to see absolutely Bitcoin is going to take off, and when that happens, there's going to be a couple of weeks lag between when Bitcoin hits the top and the old coins absolutely explode. So I absolutely see that Dogecoin is going to be exploding anytime soon, and we could see, by the middle of October, when Bitcoin is at 63,000, we could definitely see Dogecoin getting closer and closer to that 35, 45, 50 cent level, guys. And by the end of the year, we're definitely going to see Dogecoin hitting a top, and it's going to be between $1 and $1.50, guys. Worst case scenario for Doge is going to be 94 cents. So guys, don't panic. You guys just have diamond hands. Don't panic, guys. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't be wet in the bed. Don't be low. Don't be weak, Nazis, guys. It's time to absolutely be alive, guys. It's a great time to be alive. Dogecoin to the moon, guys, and you're going to love it. Some more news that's hanging around right now is we can see that institutional investors bought the dip as China FUD broke. So as the China FUD broke, you know that the Bitcoin price went down, and we saw more institutional investors were buying the dip on the back of China's FUD, with digital asset investment predicts generating $95 million worth of inflows last week. So we saw about $95 million of inflows last week coming onto the exchanges, and the $95 million worth of inflows between September 20 and 24th marks 126% weekly inflow increase. Bitcoin and Ether investment products lead the pack with 50.2 million and 28 million for Ethereum, respectively. So this is really good news that the institutional investors are still hungry. They're still gobbling up Bitcoin, and this is very bullish sign for all of us. And we also not only for Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're also seeing there's a huge institutional appetite right now for layer 1 projects like Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, and these inflows have been 3.9 million, 2.6 million, 2.4 million respectively. So we're seeing that this great wall of FUD has actually been very good, because that dip actually caused more of the institutions to be buying, and hopefully we can get a huge announcement from Apple or some other company soon, and this will start the institutional FOMO for Bitcoin coming soon, guys. So this is really great news, really great news, absolutely mind-blowing news. And guys, buckle up, because October, November, December, we're absolutely going to the moon, guys. This is a great time to be alive. Also, we're seeing that crypto stabilized over the weekend as well, because the 10-year treasury note rises, and that's really good. And cryptocurrency markets really looked past this whole China FUD. They really didn't care, and we saw basically a stabilization. And once again, the retail investors, we're not falling for this FUD. We're not falling for all this manipulation, guys. So the whales are taking alternative plans, and it's really good. The Treasury bond is the 10-year benchmark is up 1.5%. That's the highest level in 3 months, and we saw cryptos stabilizing because of that. So that's really good. So some other news that's coming out right now, we can see that the U.S. government is about to shut down, guys, and also the infrastructure bill is being delayed. So we could see that the volumes could be a little bit lighter. Some people are going to be uncertain as what impact that's going to have. I think a governmental shutdown is going to have probably zero impact on the crypto markets. There might be a 24-hour blip, but I think people don't really, the people who are investing in crypto, I really don't think they care too much about that. I mean, I definitely don't. This is not financial advice, just me expressing my opinion, guys. So, guys, don't forget to keep this in the back of your mind always, that October, November traditionally is a very bullish months for crypto, and that's why Dogecoin is going to explode. Dogecoin is going to explode in October, November, and December, and it's all going to culminate in December when we see Dogecoin hitting 94 cents, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. So let's take a look at the market cap right now in the house. So right now we can see that the total market cap right now is at 1.905 trillion, guys. So that's not too bad. We need to get ourselves above 2 trillion to make me happy. And the fear and greed index still at 25, still unchanged. So you guys need to be doing exactly the opposite of what the market is telling you to do. The market is in extreme fear. The retail investor is going to look at it and say, oh, I shouldn't be buying, shouldn't buy. This is the absolute best time to be buying. Buy the dippity dips. Take advantage of the dips. As I said in my last video, this is the time to take advantage before Dogecoin, before the altcoins, before Bitcoin starts to explode in October, November, and December. It's coming, guys. Buckle up. I can smell the rocket fuel. I can smell the fuel, guys. We're about to take off to the moon, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now. So Bitcoin is trading at $42,488 right now, and we're still below the 21-day EMA, guys. So we really need to get past that. So hopefully we can paint a weekly candle above that. So yeah, hopefully we can do that, because this could be a catalyst for some FUD, for people to lay on the FUD because of this, guys. So if we're above that, then it's going to be one less thing that the FUD makers, the FUD masters can create to drive prices down. But don't be alarmed if we do see prices going down, guys. Do not be alarmed if we see prices of Bitcoin going down. So Bitcoin is starting to make a recovery right now. Today we hit a low of 42,115, and we hit a high of 42,700. So right now we're trading at 42,629. So we're trying to keep a comeback. We have this W pattern here. This is a neckline. We broke down from the neckline earlier today, and we're trying to make a recovery. So we have some really good support around 41,000, 42,000 level. For me to be comfortable, we need to be above 44,600 level, and that will give us a good impulse to the upside, guys. So just keep an eye on that. Worst case scenario, we could be rejected and go all the way down to 38,000. But that's worst case scenario. But that's going to take a lot of FUD, a lot of catalysts to make that happen. But you saw the volumes here. Really, they've been really light. They're really light on the 25th. The volume's been picking up, so hopefully these volumes will help push things higher. And we're seeing a nice green volume right now, so this is really good. So there's more buyers than sellers right now on the 4-hour. So this is really good and positive momentum, guys. Let's take a look at the Ethereum price right now. So we're seeing that the Ethereum price is just about to break up above the W pattern neckline there. We got rejected, and that was because of Bitcoin price going down. And the next target to test is $3,000. So hopefully we'll get there very soon, guys. I think we're going to get there around $2,942 right now, and things are looking pretty peachy keen, and things are looking pretty positive. So I think things are setting up nice. If we can get above 3,000, then it's going to be very bullish, and that should help take Ethereum to the next level, guys. Let's take a look at the DeFi pulse right now, and you can see that the amount of Ethereum locked in DeFi right now is about 82.54 billion. So if you guys want to learn about what DeFi is and what projects are out there, it's a good place to go. You can go to just go to DeFiPulse.com, and then you can click on any of these links here, and this will tell you exactly what they do, where they are, and the websites. And guys, so if you're interested in DeFi, this is a good place to go. Some other stuff. Let's take a look at the Ethereum burn right now. So currently, Ethereum burn is still burning, and we've burned almost 381,000 Ethereum, guys. And it looks like that our current ETH emissions were going into the yellow, which is pretty good, so that's positive. And let's take a look at the gas fees right now. I think the gas fees are pretty low right now. So you can see that the gas fees are not too bad right now. They're about $14 average, $43 on a Uniswap. But we had that whole $23 million Ethereum fee yesterday. That's under investigation right now from Bitfinex. So that's really bizarre how that happened. So let's see if we can get any results. If I hear anything, I'll report it to you guys, and you guys will know about it. The other thing, let's take a look at Cardano in the house. Cardano has broken down. Cardano is now back up again at $2.15. So this is our support line right here. So hopefully we can blast above that pretty soon. And then we have our overhead resistance at $2.58. Don't expect anything from any of the altcoins till October, guys, until things start turning around. September is basically a Debbie Downer. I think things are just going to be consolidating, going sideways. So you can just forget about September, and then October we should start to explode, guys. Let's take a look at Solana in the house. Solana is actually it's broken to the upside of a descending triangle right now, and we still got a line in the sand at $140. We're trading at $137. So hopefully we should get some momentum and break above that, and then our next target is $155. But don't expect anything. Expect a lot of sideways action. Pretty boring for the balance of this week, I think, until we hit October. Then October we should start to see some momentum. We may even see some red in the first couple days of October, and then things are suddenly just going to turn around, and we're going to go to the moon, guys. So let's take a look at Avalanche. Avalanche is pretty much the same kind of thing. It's kind of going sideways. It's at $68.35. So let's take a look at the total market cap. And the total market cap right now is 1.93 trillion, and 24-hour volume is almost 69.24 billion. And the Bitcoin dominance right now is 41.54%. And right now we're seeing that the Bitcoin price right now is at 42,541, and that's down 3.5%, guys. And we're still down almost 1% for 7 days. But we're coming back. We should turn that green pretty soon. Ethereum right now is below 3,000, which is a very big psychological level. And if we don't get above that, we can see more droppage, more negative, more red overall. And right now we're down about 6%, and Ethereum is at 2,944, and we're down about 1.69% for the last 7 days. So actually, Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum right now, which is very strange, guys. Normally it's the opposite. And we're seeing Cardano is at $2.16, come back a little bit, and we're still down 4%, but we're still up for the week. BNB is at 339.85. We're down almost 4% and down 7% for the week, guys. Solana in the house is just turned into the green for the week, and we're down 2% for the 24 hours, and we're at 137.35%, guys. And Polkadot is down 6.6%, down 3.8% over the week, and we're at $28 right now. Doge is keeping its holdings pretty steady at staying above 20 cents, so that's pretty good, and it's down 2.37% and down 4% for the week, but we're down almost 30% for the whole month. So we need Doge to giddy up. Avalanche is doing better. We're up 16.24% for the week, and we're just almost breaking even right there, $68.41, but we're still up 37% over the last month, so that's looking pretty good. Luna is on fire. We're still up almost 1%, up 31% in the last 7 days. So if you guys got into Luna when I told you guys been making bank right now, so I bought a ton of it. So I'm pretty happy because seems to be outperforming everybody right now. Chainlink is down, Algorand is down, Atom is down, but it's up for the week. We're seeing Matic is down, and also that's down for the week. And we're seeing a lot of stuff. VED is also down. So these are some. If you're seeing these double dips here, check out PancakeSwap. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. Follow. I got 2,376 followers, guys. So follow. Don't forget to subscribe right now. Subscribe, and don't forget to smash the like. Tell the YouTube algorithm that you love this content. And one final thing, guys, don't forget to check out my links. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Remember, go to Zen Music Addict, check out the wife's channel. Don't forget to subscribe right now. And one final thing, don't forget to become a Patreon member, buy the channel on coffee. And with that being said, don't forget to check out my merch. We got hats, we got t-shirts, we got hoodies, we got all sorts of stuff. And guys, we got non-clothing items. Get the mug. So this is the OG in the house, the Ric Flair of crypto. Just want to say, Dogecoin to the moon. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of this community. Love you guys to death. It's a great time to be alive. I'll see you in the next one. Woo!